You can see there's a lot of wood around me right now. About 5 days ago, there was a windstorm that hit Washington. Sent winds over 100 miles an hour. This valley became a funnel. It knocked down lots of these trees. And we're coming up and looking at the wreckage. Our goal was to see a waterfall. But to be honest, we've been fighting this for about 45 minutes. It's supposed to be a nice, easy, winding trail. Oh, jeez. But instead, we're literally walking through the wood pile. But little man is having a positive attitude. And we're seeing some huge trees. Trees that are hundreds of years old, blown down like toothpicks to make way for the new growth. It's amazing to see how nature carries the new and the old. What do you think, Boston?
Awesome.
We are on our way up to the falls, which are Ranger Falls. I'm just so impressed with all these nurse logs around us. They are absolutely incredible. All right, we made it to Ranger Falls. We're having a lunch. We're gonna get out of here because it's about an hour and a half till dark. Sun's gonna be down at probably a little over an hour, around an hour. So we need to make tracks to get out of here. Green Lake, if you're ever here, is further up that trail. And that's probably a half a mile away from here. Unfortunately today we just ran out of daylight, but next time we'll make it all the way. I'm pretty pleased with making it to Ranger Falls. Boston, he's done awesome all day. If you enjoy clean air, small crowds, and the challenge of blowdown lumber, I would rate Ranger Falls as a 10 out of 10. This thing has pushed my patience and Boston's patience and our own skill, and we have loved it every minute. One of the best hikes we've done this year, but it's only the 20th of January, so we'll see where we're at. Thanks for following us and our adventure. This is what you do when he starts to get tired and you just gotta keep going.